I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Oh, it is Christmas. Let me just make bed. Okay. So I'm gonna turn on the power. Astro, wake up. Okay. That should have done the job. So now I'm gonna just go wake up the kids because I know they're gonna be really excited. Liam, Sophie, wake up. It's Christmas. Christmas. Yeah, so I know you guys would be excited. Even though you have so many toys, I think you guys are gonna get new ones and for stuff you asked for. But first, you have to eat breakfast, okay? So you guys can play for now, okay? And then I will get your gifts. Okay, so let me just check. Oh yeah, Paige is at her grandma's still. Her grandma's gonna drop her off right now, so that's fine. Aaliyah, wake up.
Oh my god, what time is it?
It's 8 a.m. and it is Christmas.
Oh, it's Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas.
Oh my god, it's Christmas. I better have an iPhone 13 and my presents. That's spoiled.
Well, that's asking for a lot, but, yeah. So, let's just go downstairs. Oh, Astro finally woke up, guys. Okay, well,
It takes forever to wake up.
okay, well, okay, so, Paige is coming. Caleb is almost here, but his uncle's just dropping him off. And your aunt, I don't know where your aunt is right now. She was in her room, but it looks like the door's open, so I think she's somewhere, like, in the backyard, or she's picking up Caleb. Let me just text her. Okay, guys, so your aunt is picking up Caleb, and she's also offering to pick up Paige, so that is great. So how about everyone can sit down at the counter, and then we can make some breakfast for when they do come. Okay, and where's Liam?
He's upstairs, walking on a walking stick.
Oh, hi Liam. It is time for breakfast. Okay, you guys can eat now. I'm gonna put this in the dishes actually. Okay. I'm gonna make another plate for when they come.
I want a Barbie doll. I'm done. My phone.
Okay, you can go upstairs for now and wait for them, or you can wait by the door. Just don't even look at your presents.
And I'm gonna go upstairs.
Alright. Sophie, let's go open our presents.
Oh yeah, that would be fun. Let's go.
Look, they're right there.
Oh,
Wait, our dad's behind us. Hi, Dad. Hi. Okay, he left. Let's...
this one's too.
I think this one's mine. Let me open it. Oh, what is this? This is the... Oh, I don't know what that is. It looks stinky, though.
It's mine.
This one's mine.
There's another one.
Sophie, look at the plate. Santa drank all the milk and ate all the cookies.
I got my gift open.
I think this one. Another one of these stinky things. I don't want this. Ooh, I like this one. You know what? We have opened all of them. So that is fun. Alright, Astro, I'm gonna go and get the kids so that we can open presents, or at least wait for their aunt and Paige. Liam, where's Sophie? I don't know. Oh, well, okay. I'll just look for her. Yep, Paige is not here. Aaliyah, are you guys ready?
Oh, yeah, we're ready. Yes.
Alright, well, we're gonna wait for your cousin and your sister and your aunt. Looks like they aren't here yet. Okay, so, why are all the presents opened?
What the heck? Who opened all the presents?
I know, who opened them?
Gosh, what happened? Oh my god, what the heck? It was supposed to be a surprise. Leon,
I do it.
ready to see when this happened.
No.
What the heck?
Okay, first, where is your sister? I don't know. Okay, your sister always goes missing.
What do we do?
I don't know, how about, okay, so your aunt just texted me and said that Caleb is not coming and he's only coming for dinner because they want to spend more time, which is fine. And I still can't find Sophie. Did she go sledding? I do not know where Sophie is. Which is fine, I guess.
Okay, but seriously, who opened all the presents? This is not cool.
I know. Now, like, okay, how about everyone goes back to their room and I'm gonna solve who opened all these presents, and then I'm gonna actually wrap them back up with your dad really quickly.
Okay.
Fine, I'll admit to it. Me and Sophie did it. What?
What?
Why? Because we were impatient. We didn't want to wait. Okay, I forgive you, but next time you have to be patient or else you're not getting any presents. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, everyone go back to the room. Me and your dad will quickly wrap them up and it will be brand new. Okay, now I have to wrap these all up. Okay, we finally wrapped all the presents. That took us a while, but let me just call everyone back down. Oh, hi, Sophie. Hi, Liam. You guys are in trouble for what you did, but you guys can come down now and open your gifts properly this time. Yay! Okay, you guys can come down, but do not open the presents. Your dad will be watching you. Okay. Present time.
Finally.
Yep.
Oh, finally.
Your aunt and Paige are in traffic, so we're gonna open their they're gonna open the presents later, so we can start.
Okay.
Everyone can take a seat somewhere. And I'll just hand out. Okay, well, okay, so the first presents are for Aaliyah. So, Aaliyah, I'll grab all your presents, actually. Here, you got this one. This one. And I think this one. Yeah, that one's one. There's a few, I'm pretty sure there's multiple in each one, but I don't know. Okay. So, you can start opening. All right, you can open your gifts, Aaliyah.
Finally got the iPhone 13.
Yes.
Not there.
It's okay.
Well, love her iPhone anyway, Sophie.
Anyways, you can open your next 2 presents. The big one is actually something really big that you've been wanting, and the smaller one actually has multiple presents in it.
Oh, skin.
Yep, skincare, and it comes with some sets from Sephora and some makeup.
And the last one, let's see what I got. Oh, a new bed cover. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one for like forever.
Yep, you got a new one to match like your little style for your room. Maybe we can help you put that on tonight. Okay, so whatever present I pick up next is the person who will be going next. I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, we got Sophie. Sophie, here is your present. You also got this one. I'm just gonna place it right here. And then I think you got another one. Yeah, you got this one. Alright, Sophie, so you got 4 presents there. You can open it up. Ooh, you're going for the biggest one first. I think that would be your favorite one.
Dollhouse?
Yeah, you got a dollhouse. You can assemble it after. But this is the one your dad chose.
Okay, I like it.
Alright, you got 3 little ones there too.
I'm opening this one.
Oh, you're having trouble here. I'll just cut the ribbon right there. Okay. No.
Ooh, a slime kit?
Yeah. No, you've been wanting one, but just don't make a mess with it.
I promise I will.
Okay.
Okay, I think this one's pretty easy to open.
Yep. I think you'll like this one.
And aren't they capcut?
Yep. I knew you would love that one.
This one is probably my favorite.
Oh, we'll see about what you see in the last one.
What's so special about the lap?
It's something you asked for on the first day that we moved into this house.
Ooh. A laptop?
Yep.
Are you serious? A laptop? She's only a toddler.
I know, but her and her brother both asked for a computer to play their Roblox games or whatever because they said iPad's boring. So I just got them that so that they won't stop complaining every day. Yep, okay.
Okay, now this one is my favorite.
Yep, you can put these aside. We can assemble your new dollhouse and set up your little computer later. Okay, so now let's see. The next person I land on is... Oh, Leo, this one's for you.
Oh, finally.
Yep, we got this one too. And then we got this one. And then you got, one more smaller one back here, I think. Oh no. Oh yeah, here it is. So you got these 4. Most of them for your parents.
Okay.
One of them are from us, and the rest are from your brother and parents.
Okay.
Let me see here. Ooh, I think that one's from your parents. I think this one will be your favorite one.
Okay, let me open it. Is this what I think it is?
I think it is. It's from your parents, though.
Oh my gosh. No way.
Now you got...
I've been really...
Yep, and for you to tell the difference between Aaliyah and you, Aaliyah has the rose gold one, I think, and then you have the white one.
Yeah, I can't believe this.
Yeah, I know, and your parents got it for you. And decided that you and Aaliyah can get this one of the same gifts. So that you guys don't one-up each other.
Okay. Hey, what's this thing? Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's a volleyball.
Yeah, that one's from your brother.
Nice. Obviously, it's from him.
Yeah. And then you got another one, I think. Yeah, you got 2 more.
Okay. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, let me open it, and then... What the...
Oh, yeah.
Oh. I've been wanting this.
Yep.
Gosh. Okay, I love this. I cannot wait to, like, just look at myself all the time. Anyway.
And then the last one is from us.
Ooh, okay, let me open it. Is this a gift card for Sephora?
Yep, and there's another one in there for Arden.
Oh my gosh. I love Sephora.
Yeah, we know you would love that one.
Yes, I'm definitely gonna use this straight away.
Alright, let me see. Good presents. I love the reaction to the iPhone. I recorded that for your mom. Anyways, okay, so the next present is for... Oh, this is for Liam. Here you go, Liam. That's 1. There's 1 right here. That is 2. We have this big one, which is 3. Then we have a 4th one, I think. And then we have... Where is it? Oh, yeah, right here. This one is 4. Okay. So there, you can open up. Okay, so let me open this one. And I got a laptop like Sophie. Yeah, you got a laptop like Sophie so that you guys don't one-up each other or steal each other's laptops. Yeah. Okay. So you can put that aside because I know you're in a crowded little space. Okay. Next one you're opening is that one? Yeah. Okay. I think you're gonna like this one. It's a new set of cars! Yeah, we got you a new set of cars because we know that your old ones are starting to, like, break and stuff. I don't know why you play so rough, but I think you should do the big one last. Okay, I'll do this one. Okay, that one I think you'll like. Let me open it. What is this? The bow's not coming off. It's okay, just, you see that bow? You're gonna put your hand through and then rip, okay? Okay, ooh, it is Monopoly game pieces. Yep. Okay, and now your last gift. I think this is gonna one-up that laptop. Actually, it probably won't because you love laptops. But, it's really big, as you can see. You wanna open it? Uh-huh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. A new racetrack! Yep, you got a new racetrack in there. So you can assemble that. It is a really big one, so maybe you can assemble it in the basement or something. Okay. Alright, well, there is only 2 other people except for, like, Paige left. And your aunt and your uncle and Caleb. So they can just do theirs when they come. But Here is yours, Astro. I've got you these, okay? You can open up. Okay, let's see this one. Do not go for the big one yet. I know you like big presents, but you cannot go for that one first. Okay, let's see this one. Ooh, it's a new game controller. What are you talking about? I do not play games. You cannot act like I do not see you all the time coming down here and playing games. Okay, that's a lie, but thank you. And then that's the one you're gonna like. What a office set. Yeah, it's like organizers that you've been asking for. And it also has a new laptop at the bottom. Yes, I needed this. And we can finally assemble the office. Yeah, we can. Okay. Now I think it is my turn. So let's see which presents I got. I'm going to open right here, actually, where Sophie was. Okay, and I'm going to put these presents right there. Okay. So I'm going to go now. And pretty sure you guys got me some gifts. Let me see. Okay, this one says mine. And this one. Okay, I got these three. So let me just open them up. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is from you guys, Leah's family. Oh my gosh, you guys got me a $200 Sephora gift card. Thank you. And then...
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, now this one. Oh my gosh, it's the new cookbook I wanted. Thank you guys so much. And the last one, this one's pretty big. Oh my gosh, guys, you will not believe what this one is. It's a pot and plate set for the kitchen. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Okay, how about everyone takes their gifts upstairs and then we can go and just hang out for a bit. Alright, you guys can like go explore your gifts and stuff. Liam, I can bring you downstairs and your dad can help you assemble the racetrack. Okay. Right, Astro? Yeah. That's what I thought. Anyways, so now that we have everyone, what are you guys gonna... Are you guys gonna try on your new clothes that you guys got?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I expected. Okay, and then I'm gonna check in with them to make sure that they're okay. Okay, looks like they're almost here. Okay. So, like... So, Astro, you are gonna help with Liam's racetrack, and you're gonna help with Sophie's dollhouse. Ugh. Do I have to? Yeah. Okay, get to work. Okay, okay, so you guys have fun with that. I found Sophie. She's playing with her new toys, but anyways, we don't bother about that. So let me go actually get the boxes upstairs. This one, well, this one's heavy. This one is the racetrack, and then where is it? Oh, and then this one's the dollhouse. So you can have fun assembling that. And then I am going to actually go change into my regular clothes, because these are not good clothes for the day. So like, let me just check. I need a literal fancy outfit. Actually, no. I'm just gonna do a casual outfit first. No. No. Yeah, this one's okay. Okay. I am actually going. Oh, hi, Leah. Did you try on all your clothes?
Yeah, they were like amazing.
Yeah, I can. Okay, I can see those on you. Are you excited for dinner to wear like maybe something fancy that you just got?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that seems fun. I am making actually a gingerbread house as a little snack for everyone.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna like do this and then I'm gonna check up to see if they actually made the dollhouse and racetrack. Because this will actually take pretty much a while. Okay, so I'm almost done this gingerbread house. They better be done because this gingerbread house took almost like an hour for it to like cook and stuff. So let me check if they are done. Should I now? I don't know. Okay, so I am done this gingerbread house. So let me just go check up. Leah, do you think they are done?
Let me see. I'm pretty sure they might be if they're not like slow.
Oh, you guys are actually done.
Oh.
So much hard work. Yeah, well, was it worth it? Because now they're actually playing. Oh, the dollhouse looks very nice. And it looks like you got 2 new dolls. And then the racetrack. Ooh, Liam, it kind of looks like your old one. But it says that you can make it in 3 ways. So it can form in 3 different ways. How about you do that after? And oh my gosh, you assembled their new toys. I know they did not get this for their Christmas gift, but this was just lying around as your old birthday gift, remember? You guys never made it. So I'm glad you guys actually put it to use and made it. What are you doing?
Are we having breakfast soon?
We already had breakfast, honey. I think you skipped it because you were too excited to open your presents. You and Liam didn't eat breakfast, but I can make you a little snack. What would you guys want?
Can I have
You want me to make which one?
crackers and cheese?
Okay, yeah, I can make you guys that. That's an easy meal. Okay, you guys can like sit down right there, and then I'll get you guys. Here you go, Sophie. I'm actually gonna turn this on, and then I got the next one. Here you go, Liam. Okay, you guys can actually just eat that, and what drink do you guys want? Do you guys just want water?
Can I have juice?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, I want a juice box.
Okay, I'll give you a juice box, and Liam just wants some water. Let me see. Can I find the juice box? Oh, here. Here you go. After you guys finish that, do you guys want to go sledding? I can get your siblings, too.
Yes.
Leah, we're gonna go sledding soon. Do you want to come? Hey, Leah, we're gonna go sledding soon. Do you want to come?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Alright, you can get ready in your warm clothes. I'm gonna go tell your dad. We're gonna go sledding soon. I don't really want to go. I'm so tired after that. Okay, yeah, that's reasonable, actually. So I'm gonna actually get ready. Like a warm outfit. No. Oh, this one. Okay, so I am ready actually. So do you guys just want to get ready in like warm clothes? I know Liam already is warm. Do you want to get in warm clothes, Sophie? Yeah, okay. Here. I think I have something for you. Oh, you guys didn't make your bed. I'm going to make it for you guys.
I would too excited when I woke up to make my bed.
Yeah, I think you guys were too excited tonight. But that is fine. Let me go and get Aaliyah. We're going sledding now. Ooh, that is a beautiful outfit. I like yours too, Leah. So let's just go downstairs and okay. Oh, Liam, you didn't go that far? It's okay. Oh, Liam, Sophie, there's also a little swing set there for you guys, since I know you guys aren't old enough for sledding yet, and it's a bit dangerous.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna look. Oh, I've actually never seen that mountain behind. That is really pretty. This is actually very fun. I don't know what we are going to do with this in winter, though. Or no, summer. What do you guys think we should do in summer with this?
Well...
Or maybe we can do a slip and slide down into the pool, because we are getting a pool soon. In summer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but we're getting it in summer because it's too, cold right now. Okay, guys, it is 5 p.m. So how about we go and get ready for dinner?
Hey.
Okay, everyone can come in. You coming? Okay, I'm gonna close this actually.
Paige and Auntie still not here.
Yeah, I think that they are currently, because I'm pretty sure a snowstorm is coming because of that snow. So I'm pretty sure that they are actually at your aunt's house, which I'm pretty sure they are. I'm pretty sure that's the last message that they texted me. So I don't really know much. I'm actually gonna put this. Oh, I have to empty these. Okay, so who wants to help me out with dinner? We are still, even though Paige and your aunt and Caleb and your uncle aren't here, we can still have a fun Christmas with...
I'll help with dinner.
Okay, well, I know you two are young, so Sophie and Liam, do you guys want to go to your room and just play? Oh, Liam's already running. In a snowstorm, on Christmas, that's crazy. And there was traffic. Are people, leaving to a different city on Christmas or something? That just doesn't get me. I don't think there's anyone out on Christmas because everyone's gonna be home spending time with their families, so that's crazy.
Yeah.
And Caleb and your uncle, they were gonna come for dinner and stay there for presents and stuff, but I don't think they can come because of the snowstorm. So it looks like it's just us, and we will drop you off tomorrow. I think it's just a snowstorm right now, and it is still snowing, so.
Yeah, okay.
Alright,
Okay.
We can eat now.
Where's your... Wolfie, where's your brother?
Liam, come down.
I beat him in Monopoly.
Okay, don't need to be mad, but the toddlers, you guys have chicken nuggets, salad, some spaghetti, brownies, and a juice box. And then us three have salmon, a salad, spaghetti, a brownie, and just a drink. So, but remember, you have to eat the good stuff before you eat the brownies, so.
I barely even cheated this time.
This time, you've cheated in the past. What about our family monopolies? You've been cheating?
I mean, maybe just a little bit.
Oh, maybe that's why he got mad, because he thinks that you've been cheating, because you always cheat.
Well, you can't blame me. I barely know how to count money.
That is true.
Can I eat my brownie?
Are you done the good stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, you can eat it, but make sure to finish your juice box too. Okay, guys, we are actually... Oh, it's 7 p.m. and it's still snowing. There's like clumps out there. I am actually going to just get my jacket on and quickly go shovel in the front yard. Oh my gosh, guys, it is so cold out there.
Oh.
Okay, I'm just going to use it.
Is winter.
Yeah, but it is way too chilly. The snowstorm did actually do something.
What the degrees outside are.
I'm just shoveling the front. Yeah, I don't think your dad and your aunt are coming today. I don't think your family's coming. I don't think Astro's coming because it is way too cold out there. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna just take off my jacket and put it right here. Okay. Anyways, what Christmas snack do you guys want to make, like, as a family? I'm just gonna check the fridge actually. See, we can just eat some Christmas snacks while watching some Christmas movies.
Christmas.
Oh, what about sugar cookies for holiday? These are like the holly ones. But we have to make it from scratch, so everyone has to help. Liam, come help. Oh, I'm gonna form these. Help me form these, guys. What shapes do you want? I think I have some shapes up there. Liam, can you go get them? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now we got some cute shapes. Do you like those? There's a stocking, a mitten, candy cane, and an ornament. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, there's a little line up here. Okay, everyone can recline their chair if they would like. You can sit down, Sophie. Okay, there. Here. Sophie, since you're still drinking your milkshake, that is your popcorn right there. And here's your popcorn, Aaliyah. I'm going to turn off the light. I'm going to leave that light on. Actually, we're just going to turn off this one. Okay, Home Alone 2. Let me get my... Actually, I'm going to clean this real quick.
I love this movie.
Okay, I'm going to recline the chairs for you guys. Okay, I'm going to sit right here, actually. Actually, I'm going to sit next to Aaliyah. Actually, I think I have to sit here because I cannot trust Liam and Sophie being alone. Especially Sophie, she's been a bad girl today.
I'm such a good girl.
Oh, are you sure about that?
Yeah, why wouldn't I be sure?
Okay, this popcorn's actually pretty good for Christmas themed popcorn. This is actually pretty good. Oh my gosh, it's already 10 p.m. It looks like we did not actually get through all the snacks. And the movie is over, but that's okay. We can just put these for tomorrow. And it is really... I know you guys woke up really early and it's really late right now, so let's go to bed, actually.
Guess we can go to bed.
Okay, so Liam and Sophie, you guys can come to your room. I'm actually just going to turn off Aladdin. So you guys still have it on pause. So I'm just going to put it on the Netflix page because you know you guys can't sleep in the dark. Okay, and I'll tuck you in too. Okay.
TV.
Actually, I'm going to tuck you in even more. I got your thing. Okay. Okay, good night, guys.
Good night.
Alright, are you guys going to bed now?
Yeah.
Alright, good night. I hope you guys enjoyed Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the power now. And I'm gonna go to bed now too. Okay guys, that was the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more. And make sure to tell us in the comments what your favorite part of this video was. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bye.
Bye.